Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's break down the role of AI and its influence on build-to-cost in a contact center. Now, let's explore the role of AI and its influence on the build-to-cost ratio, beginning with AI-driven cost optimization, the denominator side of the equation. AI containment and resolution. When chatbots, voice bots, or IVR systems are able to resolve routine or low-value interactions, fewer calls need to be handled by agents. This directly reduces the required FTE headcount, lowering the delivery cost base. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Automation of ticket updates, billing corrections, case tagging, and CRM entry reduces the amount of manual back-office work. This frees agents to spend time on high-value interactions and reduces total operational workload. AI Agent Assist. Real-time guidance tools help agents with suggested responses, compliance hints, and automated call summarization. When after-call work, ACW, goes down, average handle time, AHT, drops, improving productivity and lowering cost per contact. AI in workforce management. AI forecasting and scheduling tools can predict volume patterns, optimize shrinkage, and enable dynamic shift adjustments, which reduces both overtime and idle staffing cost. Overall influence. AI lowers the delivery effort per productive hour, meaning the cost denominator decreases. When costs go down but build revenue remains stable, the build-to-cost ratio strengthens, improving profitability and financial sustainability. Now let's look at how AI strengthens the billing side of the build-to-cost ratio through AI-enhanced SLA protection. Queue prediction and routing. AI can predict volume spikes in real time and intelligently reroute interactions across teams, sites, or channels. This proactive control prevents SLA breaches, which means the organization avoids financial penalties and protects revenue. Real-time monitoring. AI continuously watches operational performance, such as wait times, backlog, or service delays. When risk is detected, it can automatically trigger callback strategies, overflow handling, or skill-based rerouting to stabilize performance before SLAs are impacted. Sentiment and quality analytics. AI analyzes tone, language, and interaction patterns to identify high-risk or negative customer experiences early. By flagging these situations in real time, agents and supervisors can intervene quickly, which helps protect CSAT scores and preserve SLA-linked incentive payouts. Overall influence. AI acts as a revenue safeguard. It prevents billing deductions, protects bonus eligibility, and maintains SLA compliance, strengthening the numerator side of the build-to-cost ratio. Let's look at how AI influences pricing and value creation, and how it strengthens the build side of the build-to-cost ratio. Outcome-based pricing models. AI can analyze patterns such as conversion likelihood, recovery probability, or upsell potential. These predictive insights allow organizations to confidently adopt outcome-based or performance-linked pricing, which can command premium billable rates because value is being demonstrated and measured. Client value add and differentiation. AI also produces high-impact insights such as customer sentiment trends, churn risk indicators, and next best action recommendations. These analytics elevate the vendor from a service provider to a strategic growth partner. When the client sees measurable intelligence and business improvement, it becomes easier to justify higher pricing during contract renewals and renegotiations. Overall influence. AI doesn't just reduce costs, it increases the value you can bill for. It enables premium pricing, strengthens the revenue numerator, and shifts the commercial model toward value-based contracting rather than cost-based selling. Now let's examine how AI supports compliance and risk management, and how that protects the bill-to-cost ratio. Automated compliance monitoring. AI can continuously monitor interactions in real time and detect potential violations, such as DNC rules, GDPR data handling, HIPAA sensitivity, or script adherence. By identifying risks as they happen, AI helps avoid fines, penalties, and revenue leakage that would otherwise erode the billing side of the ratio. Audit automation. AI also automates regulatory documentation and audit trail creation, replacing large manual compliance teams. This significantly reduces administrative overhead and lowers ongoing compliance cost while maintaining accuracy and traceability. Overall influence. AI keeps compliance costs predictable and controlled, while also preventing billing penalties tied to regulatory or SLA breaches. In short, it protects revenue while stabilizing the cost base, directly supporting a healthier bill-to-cost ratio. Next, let's look at the impact of AI on workforce dynamics and how it influences the bill-to-cost ratio indirectly through people performance and stability. Attrition reduction. AI-powered tools such as real-time coaching assistants, performance dashboards, and stress or sentiment monitoring help supervisors support agents more effectively. When agents feel guided, empowered, and less overwhelmed, retention improves. Which means the organization spends less on hiring, onboarding, and training replacements. Lower attrition directly reduces hidden labor cost in delivery operations. Agent upskilling. AI-enabled knowledge assist tools allow junior or less experienced agents to handle more complex interactions and do it more confidently and more accurately. This improves both productivity and service consistency and reduces the need for heavy-tiered staffing structures or specialized support escalation. Overall influence. AI helps create a more skilled, stable, and empowered workforce, which means fewer staffing disruptions, lower training and recruitment expense, higher efficiency per productive hour. And all of this supports a stronger and more sustainable bill-to-cost ratio. Let's summarize the overall influence of AI on the bill-to-cost ratio. On costs, AI reduces the amount of labor, back-office effort, workforce management overhead, and compliance monitoring required to run operations. By lowering delivery effort per productive hour, AI improves the cost denominator, which strengthens margins. On revenue, AI helps protect SLA performance, prevents penalty deductions, unlocks incentive earnings, and supports value-based or premium pricing models. This means the revenue numerator remains stable or even increases as performance consistency improves. On strategy, AI enables operations to scale efficiently, meaning the organization can grow without matching cost increases. This improves long-term margin stability, business resilience, and competitiveness in the market. Key takeaway: AI improves both sides of the bill-to-cost equation. It reduces cost, protects revenue, and strengthens strategic scalability, making it one of the most powerful enablers of sustainable profitability in modern contact centers. Let's close with a concise summary of AI's role in strengthening the bill-to-cost ratio. AI acts as a multiplier across the entire financial model. First, it reduces cost to serve by lowering labor effort, speeding workflows, and increasing automation efficiency. This improves the cost denominator of the ratio. Second, it protects revenue and incentive performance by stabilizing SLAs, improving quality, and preventing penalty leakage. This supports and strengthens the revenue numerator. And third, AI enhances long-term sustainability by reducing attrition, improving coaching effectiveness, and lowering compliance risk. The result? A stronger, healthier bill-to-cost ratio, typically in the 1.2 to 1.6 range, delivering higher profitability and better ROI on both AI investments and contact center operations overall. AI doesn't just optimize processes. It elevates the entire financial performance model. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.